Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to get the skin for your puppy champion on your League of Legends. So at first, all you have to do is just open your game to the right client. And as you open your game, you're in this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and look at the right tab for the option store right here and just click it to view the store page at first. And as you view the store page, again look at your left top and select this option skins on this page. And as you view the skin page, either you can just scroll down to look for the skins for your puppy, or just look at your left and select the search box and type puppy. And as you type it, you can see the list of skins for your puppy champion and just select any of those you want to buy it for yourself. And to buy the skin, you need RP points. If you don't have the RP points, you can just purchase the RP point from the store. So guys, that's how to get the skin for your puppy champion on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.